Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope so you all will be fine. Let's start the task of phase number 3. I'm your teacher of class playgroup. Our subject is English. I'm going to tell you about the task of day 1 till day 5, in which we have to read book page number 9 to 12, workbook page number 33 to 35, 1000 picture book page number 10. We have to recognize sound English page number 3, and we have to learn rhyme number 4. Let's start the task of day 1. Take out your English reading book, open page number 9 and 10. We have to read page number 9 and 10. Here we have to recognize a new alphabet, that is letter E. E makes the sound eh, e, eh, e, eh, elephant, e, eh, elephant, e, eh, envelope, e, eh, envelope, e, eh, egg, e, eh, egg, e, eh, engine, e, eh, engine. Now take out your English workbook and open page number 32. We have to recognize color and write letter E. E, eh, egg, e, eh, elephant. Now I will tell you the formation of letter E. Let's start. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line, then again a slipping line on the third line. Again I will tell you the formation of letter E. Draw a straight standing line. Which letter? Then draw a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line, then a slipping line on the third line. This is letter E. Beta, you have to recognize this one letter. This is letter E. Same like this you have to complete page number 32. You have to write on dots. Clear? Let's start the task of day number 2. Now take out your English reading book. We have to recognize a new letter, that is letter F, and we have to read page number 11 and 12. F for fish, F for fish, F for fire, F for fire, F for flag, F for flag, F for frog, F for frog. What is the sound of letter F? F for F, F. Now it's time to do task on workbook. Open page number 33. Today we have to recognize a new alphabet, that is letter F. F. F makes the sound F. Now it's story time. I'm going to tell you a story about letter F. And our topic of story is fighting is bad. As you all know that fighting is not a good habit. Farah and Faiza were fighting with each other. There are two girls. Their name were Farah and Faiza. They both were fighting. They pushed very badly each other. One of them fell down and got hurt. Teacher came and told Faiza that she should never fight. Faiza said sorry to Farah. Okay, this one girl said sorry to Farah because they both are fighting with each other and one of them fell down. So that's why Faiza said sorry to Farah. Faiza and Farah became good friends. So my dear kids, should we fight with each other? Yes or no? No. Should we fight with each other? No. Dear students, here we have to trace 4 fish in the bowl. F for fish. So you have to trace these fish. Okay, you have to trace on dots like this. Is it clear to you? Now we have to recognize and trace letter F. This is letter F. This is capital F. This is small f. This is capital F. This is lowercase f. Now I will tell you the formation of letter F. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line. It is also same like letter E, but we have to only draw slipping lines 2 times. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line. This is letter F. You have to do page number 33 like this. Let's start the task of day number 3. Here we have to write in our notebooks. We have to do practice in our notebook from letter A till letter D. Let's start. Dear students, your parents will prepare your notebook like this. They will write letter A, B, C and D, and they will mark dots in your notebooks, and then you will do practice on the dots. Let's start. Draw a slanting line like this, then again a slanting line, then a slipping line, the second line. This is letter A. Draw a straight standing line, then a half circle in first 2 lines, then again a half circle in next 2 lines. This is letter B. Then a curve like this. You have to write letter C. Draw a straight standing line, then a half circle in first 3 lines. This is letter D. You have to do practice in your notebooks like this. Dear students, now it's time to do task of day number 4. We have to do practice in our notebook of letter E. Dear students, your parents will prepare your notebook like this. Then you will do practice of letter E. You have to write on dots. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line, then a slipping line on the third line. This is letter E. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line, then a slipping line on the third line. This is letter E. This is letter E, and E makes the sound eh. E, eh. Is it clear to you? You have to do practice of letter E in your notebooks. Okay? It's time to do task of day number 5. Today we have to write, recognize and color letter F on page number 34. Dear students, this is capital F and this is small f. This is capital F, this is lowercase f. Now F makes the sound F, F, F frog, F frog, F fire, F fire. My dear students, now you have to do color in fire. You have to make dark outline with yellow color and then light color inside it. Is it clear? Then you have to make dark outline with brown color and then do light color in it. Dear kids, circle the thing you should not touch. Should we touch fire or should we not touch it? We should not touch fire. So you have to make circle on fire. Now I will tell you the formation of letter F. Draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then another slipping line on the second line. Again, draw a straight standing line, then a slipping line on the first line, then a slipping line on the second line. By doing this, you have to complete page number 34. Is it clear? Dear kids, now take out your sound English book, and today we have to recognize letter E. E. You have to learn this half page in first 5 days. E, envelope, E, envelope, E, engine, E, engine, E, egg, E, egg, E, elephant, E, elephant. Next, our activity is find the letter E in these words. You have to circle letter E in word egg. Good. Next, you have to circle letter E in elephant. Good. Now you have to circle letter E in letter and. Next, you have to circle E in word 11. Now it's time to recognize 1000 picture book. Take out your 1000 picture book and open page number 10. Here we have to learn first half page in first 5 days. Things we wear. First is pagdi. First is pagdi. Next picture is collar. Collar. Next is button. Button. Next is kurta shalwar, kurta shalwar. Next is cuff, cuff. Next is sleeve, sleeve. Next picture is hanger. What is this? Hanger. Dear students, now you have to learn rhyme number 4. Ring a roses, a pocket full of posies. Husha, busha, we all fell down. Ring a roses, a pocket full of posies. Husha, busha, we all fall down. Hope so all of you have learned the task of day 1 till day 5. After finishing your work, you must say Alhamdulillah on daily basis. Allah Hafiz. Take care.